Welcome to the new project for Legal 140, Outlook File Management and Building Blocks. Three seemingly unrelated areas, but they all have to do with helping you be as efficient as you possibly can. Lots of reading in this particular module and one video to watch. So I'm just going to motor through with this introduction. So read this introductory piece here, and then we'll go in and have a look at the project. So here's the project right here. You may not be aware that you actually have access at RDC to a full-blown version of Microsoft's Outlook program. That's Outlook Email. It is on your VDI desktop, so when you are at the college or when you're going into VMware at home, you can just double click on this icon right here, and that will open up your Outlook. So this is what you're going to be working in for this particular project. Before you start this project, there are some things to read and have a look at. And then what you're going to do is you are going to set yourself up a signature. And here's my sample here. And then you are going to put some recurring appointments into your calendar. That is a really nice feature, so if you have appointments that happen on a weekly basis, you only have to put them in once and you can tell it to repeat as often as needed. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to invite me for an appointment as well. So read through the information on the resources and then go in and have some fun in your Outlook. The next part of the project is file management. It's keeping yourself organized electronically in terms of saving files, organizing them into folders in a way that both you will be able to locate them, and if you happen to be off sitting on the beach in Hawaii or something like that and somebody needs access to a file you had worked on, other people in your office are going to be able to find your files and that. So a little activity here where you're going to play around with creating files, creating folders, and just start thinking about how you're going to be organizing things when you get to the world of work. The third thing is Building Blocks, which is an awesome little tool in Word that allows you to take some pre-formatted, a block of pre-formatted text and save it so that you can use it over and over and over again. There's a little video in the resources folder, so have a look at that and then play with that. You can use things that you've already created. For example, you can use the Grump and Jolly letterhead from the letters or those kinds of things for the purposes of this little project. So have fun with that. It's a nifty little tool and I like it very, very much. Make sure you send your project in following the professional email protocol, and here is the marking guide. So these are the things that I'm going to be looking for when I am marking your project. So have fun with this. I hope you find some things that are really, really useful. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please just contact me.